What's up, y'all? Stevie J here with Beyond the Details. I got another unboxing slash first impressions on the product right here. As you guys can see, it's the Elgato Stream Deck MK2. I've been looking forward to this for a while. I've been on the edge about buying this for actually a couple years, couple iterations. Don't really have the time to game as much, don't really have the time to be on the PC as much, but I'm all about clean. I just did a 4-monitor setup just to make everything more simple for me. And I'm just big on tech, so I wanted to add this, not necessarily for video editing because I'm not very good at it, but just for opening at different applications and just being able to customize and just have a cleaner look with my work area. So let's get to it. Very, very quick video. I'm going to open it up, let you guys know how I feel about the quality. I've never had one of these in my hand. Does it feel plasticky? How does it feel? I don't know. So we're going to open it up, let you guys know what I feel about that. And within the next couple of days, I should be off in 2 days. I'll go ahead and do some updates or editing on this as far as customizing the buttons, I should say, and let you guys see how easy it is. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, it's going to be a short one, but let's go. All right, guys, let's open it up. I actually just cut the 2 pieces of tape here because I messed up, so I had to restart the recording, but I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, compatible with Mac or Windows, obviously. Not sure about Linux, but I would assume there's a way to make it work. Okay, so the first thing that you do get when you open it up is going to be the actual Steam Deck. And remember when I said I've never had these in my hand, and we're going to talk about quality out the gate? It feels good. Do a little quick 360 around it. Has a nice rubber padding on the bottom. Open area here. Okay, so that comes right off. Didn't know that. And then there's really nothing on the bottom. This is a rubbery feeling as well here. And the only thing you're gonna have is a area for your USB-C, excuse me. That looks really good. It feels really good. Nice weight to it. I'm big on feel, on products that feel good. Okay, so that's the end of nothing else in the box. And you get a USB-C cable to USB-A. I like the little, it's a curved at a 90-degree angle. So let's go ahead and take this out and see how it would sit. Steam Deck quick start guide. I might actually have to read this, but so I'm gonna leave it out. But for now, we don't have to worry about it. So I gotta put this, I'll keep it in frame, put it there. Take this out. USB-C, put it at the right angle. That's it. That's simple. So then we put it back. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so as you see, you know this is the bottom because of this part. And if you look in the back, there's a hole actually for the cable to go. So, but I'm a little confused because of the fact that you really don't want to do it like that. I don't know. So anyway, put it here, so it's going to be, this is the top, so it will go like this. But I'm assuming you'll just feed the cable through here. I'm not doing this adequately, sorry guys. And that's it. I feel like they should have had the cable like central more or something, but whatever, it works. And that's it. So you're gonna have the cable at the back, plug it into your USB-A port, wherever that is, whether you have a hub or just directly to your computer. And yeah, this is gonna really add on to my setup, I'm sure. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the Steam Deck MK2. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's not much to see until I turn it on. You'll be able to customize. You can even put your photos on here. You can really do anything. Customize this, whether you want to use it for video editing or game shortcuts or whatever. I'm sure you could even probably keybind this to something like World of Warcraft. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Very short video. We'll see how it is, guys. Peace.